Momar's Weapon CLP is not your average CLP. Developed specifically for the military and law enforcement, Weapon CLP is formulated with a full synthetic base lubricant, not a petroleum oil, so it's non-flammable and non-toxic for hassle-free transport and improved safety. It is also fully biodegradable and has a light vanilla scent, so you're not left with a foul smell. Not only does it clean, lubricate, and protect all in one easy step, it is also safe for use on all metals, finished wood, rubber, plastic, and synthetic frames. It's even safe on glass, Lexan, and other scope materials. No more discolored parts and no more issues at inspection time. Everyone will know you take pride in the care of your firearm. It's been field tested by the Army Rangers, and you can see for yourself how effective it is at keeping weapons free of carbon, soot, grease, dirt, sand, grit, and grime. It even repels salt water, protecting your firearm from damaging rust and corrosion. Weapon CLP doesn't have an oily feel like conventional CLPs, so you can handle your weapon immediately after treatment. The proprietary synthetic formula cleans and quickly bonds to the firearm, keeping it protected. Yet there is no greasy residue. One try and you'll feel the difference. Use Weapon CLP to clean your pistols, revolvers, rifles, shotguns, machine guns, and large artillery. It's available in individual wipes pouches, excellent for use in the field, wipes canisters and aerosols, great for use in your armory, and is a liquid, ideal for large-scale cleaning operations. Maintain your weapon's peak performance and help prevent failure, misfires, and jams by regularly cleaning, lubricating, and protecting it in one easy step with Weapon CLP.
I dig it, man. I seriously did not know that there was that much gunk in there. It pulled up off of this that I didn't even know was there, to be completely honest with you. That was pretty good.
Contact your Momar representative to order Weapon CLP today.